and I'm hiding from my friends. Would you like to hide with me? Okay, let's hide. Let's hide. Let's hide. Make sure they don't find us. Oh, I think one of my friends found me. One of my friends found me. Oh, Inky found me. Inky say hello. Inky says hello. Oh, someone else has found me. Oh, the buzzer bee. Buzzer bee flew in. Say hello. Buzzer bee says hello. And someone else just slided in. Oh, it's my friend the snake. The snake found me too. Says hello. So hello friends. How are you today? Would you like to listen to my story today? Of course I know you would. Okay, sit quietly. Yes. Wow, can we look at the pictures together? Beautiful. What can you see here? Oh, there is a snake. Good. And that's Samuel. That's Samuel. Yeah. Oh, and Samuel is holding a stick. Yes. Oh, I see the sun over here. Beautiful. It's a beautiful sunny day. And Sam is playing with his dog. Here's Sam's dog. Its name is Spotty. Sam throws the stick into the grass. So Spot fetches the stick. Sam throws the stick again. But this time, Spotty started to bark. And Sam was wondering, why is Spotty barking? So Sam went to see why Spotty was barking. Oh, Sam saw the big snake in the grass. The snake went and runs away. And Sam says, I know a song for that. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Would you like to sing along? Come on, let's sing. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yeah, let's sing it one more time. The snake is in the grass. That's the snake. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So you just bring out your hand like this and move like the snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yeah. So what sound does a snake make? Yes, you guessed right. The snake says "Sss." Beautiful. And here's a sound "Sss." So this letter makes the sound "Sss," like the snake. Beautiful. So we have "S" as in snake, "S" as in sun, "S" as in stick, and "S" as in Sam. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. "S," "S." The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. "S," "S." The snake is in the grass. Here we go again. So this is the sound. "S." Everybody say that. "S." Beautiful. One more time. "S." Well done. So this is the sound "S." Okay. So I want you to go around your house and look for the sound "S." Wherever you find it, just touch it and say "S." I hope you enjoyed the story today. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.